Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we answer more questions from viewers that I've received through email, here is another question that is often asked and often something that puzzles a lot of people. So if we go and look at the Task Manager, you can right click on the Start button in Windows 11 or on the taskbar in Windows 10. Go into your Task Manager, both Windows 10 or Windows 11, and go into the Performance tab and go into the Memory. Now, my PC has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it shows on the upper right corner here 16 gigabytes. Now, one of the things that a lot of people notice is that there's a difference in the actual number and the actual number that is available. So here you see that it says 15.4 gigabytes just below the 16 gigabytes. So what's important to know is that there's part of the memory that is used by the system. Your hardware will actually require and reserve before the operating system part of that RAM to be able to function. And that is variable. Depending on the hardware you have, that amount that is taken out is different. So in an example that I had in the email, a 8 gigabyte of RAM shows up as 7 gigabytes when he's looking at it, which is not a problem. There's nothing wrong with your PC. It's just that there is part of it that's reserved, and that reserved memory is for the hardware. So that one will always be there, and there's always be a part of your RAM that's missing due to that. And the higher the amount of RAM, often the more you have reserved RAM for hardware. So it's normal that the numbers don't match, and it's fine. It's all right. There's also another thing that you have to understand. People that have 32, like on Windows 10, 32-bit operating systems are limited to a maximum of RAM. So that also is something that, if you want to be able to use 8 or 16 or 32 gigabytes, you got to run a 64-bit operating system. Only 64 bits can address that amount of RAM. So, there's some missing RAM, and it's normal. Like I said, system resources, hardware, all of that reserves part of that RAM for its own use, and then the rest is available for Windows and shows up in multiple apps that will actually check the RAM number. It will see the RAM that is available and not the RAM that is, not necessarily give you the full number of the RAM. But the Task Manager does give you that amount. It does tell you, well, 16 gigabytes is what I see, but 15.4 in reality is what I can use. So that number is different there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.